Good day everyone, I am Muhaina B. Munib from the Bachelor of Science and Social Work Section 1C. I will be discuss what is typhoon and flood. So usually naman lahat naman tayo is alam itong typhoon and flood. So let's begin. So ano nga ba ang typhoon? A typhoon is a type of intense tropical cyclone that occurs in the western Pacific Ocean. It's essentially the same as the hurricane or tropical cyclone, but the term typhoon is specially used in the Asian Pacific region. So ang typhoon po is generally term niya is yung bagyo. So, for instance lang, itong si typhoon po is regularly na nagpo-form ito siya sa Philippine Sea, wherein our country is most exposed country in the world na nagkakaroon ng tropical storm. So, if you're in a typhoon-prone area, is essential talaga na ma-stay informed tayo about the weather forecast para na din ma-aware tayo sa mga evacuation orders and yung mga safety guidelines. So, according to Pag-asa, there are 2 typhoons na nagtatak talaga sa history ng Pilipinas. And ito na yung Typhoon Yolanda, which is internationally known as Dihayan. So, more than 6,300 people yung namatay dito and nangyari ito siya sa Visayas region in November 2013. Second naman is ito yung Typhoon Rolly na internationally known as Digoni. So, nangyari naman ito siya sa Catanduanes in November 2020. We will proceed naman sa next slide. Here are some disadvantage ng typhoons na nakaapekto sa buhay ng mga tao. So, first is disruption of essential services. So, usually ito siya nangyayari sa rural areas wherein yung mga tao is hindi sila nakakatanggap ng services dahil nga sa bagyo. So, most of the time kasi is yung nagbibigay ng donation dito or services is yung mga private sectors. Usually, meron din namang mga services na binibigay yung government pero halos lahat is hindi nakakatanggap. So, second is itong property destruction. So, most of the time, is ito talaga yung main problem pag nagkakaroon ng bagyo kasi dito na pumapasok yung pagkasira ng mga bahay, yung mga taniman, which is yun yung source of income ng mga tao dahil sa kanilang kabuhayan. So, third is itong power outage. So, mostly sa atin is alam din naman ito. Pero ito yung pagkaputol ng mga kuryente dahil sa bagyo. So, lastly is itong loss of life. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-worst na nangyayari pag mayroong bagyo kasi maraming mga taong namamatay. Tapos, yung iba is hindi na makita yung mga bangkay. One of the example nito is yung nangyari bago lang sa Luzon, sa Catanduanes. Maraming taong namatay dahil sa bagyong Pipito. Let's proceed naman sa next slide. What is flood? Flood refers to an overflow of water that submerged land affecting areas not normally underwater. So for addition lang is itong si flood is usually talaga ito siya na nangyayari sa ating community dahil sa malakas na ulan na sanhi na din ng pagkabaha. There are 3 types of flood. First is flash flood. Flood occurs when an extreme rainfall event creates a flood independent of an overflowing water body. A common misconception about flood is that you must be located near a body of water to be at risk. So, ito yung type na baha na dahil sa sanhi ng malakas na ulan, particularly sa urban or rural area. So, second is river flood. River flood occurs when the water level in the river, lake, or stream rises and the overflow onto the neighboring land. The water level rise of the river could be due to excessive rain or snowmelt. Ito naman yung type ng baha na lumilevel up yung taas ng ilog. Tapos, nag-overflow na siya sa mga kabahay-bahayan. So, lastly is itong coastal flood. Coastal flooding is the inundation of the land along the coast by seawater. It is usually caused by intense windstorm events, particularly when they coincide with high tide that create a storm surge. So, itong type naman ng baha is pag yung dagat is nag-overflow yung level ng tubig is pwede siyang mangyaring tsunamis. That's the end of my video report. Thank you for watching.